What's up, visionaries? Sakshi and Lazriel here. We're here with another vlog. Get ready. So this vlog, we just participated in Lazriel and his wife Yulia's Restore Your Balance workshop retreat, and they went to the Tibetan Cultural Center. I participated, I shot the vlog, got some incredible footage, and we're gonna do a little interview with Lazriel and his wife. Show you guys just what we do on a daily basis, making moves, making impacts, changing the world, healing the people them. Here we go. Put your vlog belts on, let's go. Hey!
Baraka Vision!
Hi guys!
Hey guys, so it's Gabriel and Yulia, and we're here talking Baraka Vision about our latest workshop retreat that we did at the Tibetan Mongolian Cultural Center called Restore Your Balance. It was an amazing day-long retreat.
Yeah, we were just so blessed to have the opportunity to offer this to the community, because we truly believe that taking time for ourselves is so essential in our really busy lifestyle that all of us live, when we're always looking for what's next, what's coming next, but we rarely take time for ourselves to really tune in and restore the balance in our bodies, our minds, our emotions, let go of things that are no longer serving us, and really come back into our center so we can be the best versions of ourselves and serve the community, our families, and the world the best that we can.
So to walk you through a little bit of the agenda, like what we did for the day, we started out and had a really amazing connection time, a centering process, kind of crystal bowl meditation, just to drop everybody in and really allow them to kind of put everything at the door.
Now we chant Om together.
And that was a sentiment we really talked about, was the digital detox is how can we take all the devices and all the thoughts and the emails and everything we're trying to do in a day, and then just kind of leave that. And allow for an entire day of just unplugging, unwinding, going deep, connecting to that source within. So we had several processes throughout the day, one of which we started with some morning yoga. I was leading some amazing Amrit style yoga, which is what the style we teach after Yogi Amrit Desai, our guru, and it's really engaging yoga because it's really about first and second half. Like, how can we actively engage into a pose, but then also at the second half, how can we release and be receptive after doing a pose to just feel that mix of doing but also being.
Doing just that, releasing all the attention from the head and really focusing on creating balance in our nervous system, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, the doing, all that striving and controlling, and the completely receptive side, the parasympathetic. And there's a really fascinating fact that actually 80% of all doctors' visits are related to this imbalance of doing and being, sympathetic, parasympathetic, which is the essence of stress. When there's more doing than we allow the body to restore itself, it creates an imbalance. And that leads to a myriad of diseases and health conditions.
So after the yoga, we also, took it a step further, and we wanted to have some fun processes as well. So we did a really fun nature walk, meditative walk outside all the way around the Tibetan grounds, just to give people experience of what it's like. It's a beautiful grounds. There's prayer flags all over the compound area. It's beautiful, scenic view, trees, like hundreds of acres out there. So we had a really fun time just taking, and the fun part was also we did it in silence. So just like Buddhist monks would do, you walk and you don't talk. You just have the experience of what it's like to listen to nature, listen to what's on outside, just walk and see the sights and really absorb it and take it all in for yourself.
often we go through life and we completely miss so much that we miss, things are in front of us, but because we are somewhere in the future or stuck in the past, we miss the moment, we miss the beauty, we miss the gifts that the life has to offer.
We also had an amazing meal that was prepared by our chef, Kristen Lonergan, who made an amazing Ayurvedic, gluten-free, vegan meal. Also included were snacks, and the meal was fantastic. Everybody loved it. It was super well received. It was just such a nice treat to be able to have a meal that was prepared from scratch the day of, so that people could bond and sit around the meal table and talk and connect. It was really, really incredible, and I think we had lots of good feedback from people saying how much they really, really loved and enjoyed having the meal provided. And then we came back afterwards and we had a really beautiful tea ceremony. We were leading people through this process of just sipping the tea, but instead of immediately drinking it and just, all right, what's next? Right? Like, we actually had the process of, taking the tea in and just holding it in your mouth for a second, and really like a mindfulness practice, an awareness practice where you can really feel what it's like and what it really tastes like, and sit with it for a moment and really appreciate the subtleties of drinking tea. And then afterwards, we moved into the second part of the day. Yulia was doing a beautiful, more meditative process that's called Yoga Nidra, which is a sleep-based meditation. And that's like the ultimate deep dive. It's the total unplug. You get to lay on the floor, get supremely comfortable, and then Yulia's beautiful voice gets to guide us through. And we really just get to experience the body, we get to experience the being, and not from that mental interpretation, but really a direct experience of total relaxation.
So, Yoga Nidra was one of the key practices which we did during the day. And it's a really deep, profound, guided meditation that uses the biology of sleep. We naturally every day go into a sleep cycle where naturally when we're able to let go of the thoughts, the stress-producing thoughts, we go into lower and lower states, brainwave states, that create a deeper and deeper relaxation. And in Yoga Nidra we combine it, we go into the state of being where there's no thought. And at that state the body naturally is able to restore itself to its state of balance.
And then afterwards we shifted and we got to open it up and have a little fun. So we were kind of having a soulful dance party and people were moving around, letting the energy move. We were kind of putting on some temple dance music, and Deva Premal was taking us to a whole other level. And it was just a fun embodiment, to really let loose and let that energy move. And I think everybody really enjoyed to be able to listen to music and dance and be uninhibited by the mind.
We wanted to bring the energy up and just give everybody a chance to feel unleashed and free.
And then we really took it also to another level after we were dancing, where we wanted to really connect as a heartfelt circle. And so we had a nice, beautiful ceremony with candles where we got to be able to light the light of enlightenment within each and every one of us. And so Yulia and I both, we came around with a puja kit and we really worshipped and honored the sacredness in each and every one of us that was there and present at the event. And we lit that candle with that intention that every one of us, each one of us has that light and enlightenment inside of ourselves. We just tend to forget. We get disconnected from that in our busy, busy lives, and we forget about the fact that we have this amazing gift of life that was given to us.
people live in their heads and stressed in their heads, but this whole process of this retreat was all about moving out of the heads and getting down to the heart. And really by connecting to the heart and to all of the feeling and emotions, we're really able to disengage from all the stress that comes from the mind, the fragmentation, the resistance to life, control over circumstances. And when we are in our heart centers, we're really in tune with our being center, with truly where life actually happens and the miracles happen, and when we are really in line with our true essence. We chose the Tibetan Buddhist Mongolian Cultural Center because it's just such a sanctuary. When you enter the gates and enter the grounds, you already feel that stillness, the peace and quiet, and you instantly start feeling your mind and all the dissatisfactions that come from the mind starting to drop. So we felt this would be the perfect location to host our retreat. First we got married there. But this is just a really beautiful, we feel deep heart connection to the grounds. I believe it's the second biggest land outside of Tibet. And His Holiness Dalai Lama comes regularly, and we were blessed to actually meet him there a couple of times. And it's just such a sanctuary. So yeah, we really believe that unplugging on a regular basis is key to just really living a healthy, happy life. And that's why I have a 2-hour mini retreat that I also offer at the Tibetan Cultural Center. It's once a month on a Sunday, 2 to 4, and it's called Blissful Rejuvenation Secrets. I also offer really amazing small group and intimate environment in our home yoga studio, circles for women, and they're based on the goddesses. I call them goddess yoga circles, and we go really deep in the embodied practices of different aspects of the goddess, and really connecting deep to the body. And so you can find out more about it at Gentle Heart Yoga and Wellness Facebook page. So you can go to Facebook, Gentle Heart Yoga and Wellness. You can find out more about upcoming events there.
And just to give you a plug for our next Restore Your Balance workshop retreat, we're going to be doing one on April 21st, which is also a Saturday. Stay tuned, look forward to it. It's going to be another day-long, just amazing rejuvenation. You should really come. It's going to be a great day. Looking forward to possibly seeing you there.
That's a treat right there.
What you got there, gang?
Strawberries and cream.
Yum. What's up, you guys? I hope you enjoyed that vlog. I hope you enjoyed that journey with Lazriel
And his wife!
And his wife! We got Yulia here. It's been an honor, sharing that experience with you. You guys are amazing. Everything that you guys do is just changing the world, and I'm super honored to know you guys. This has been an incredible journey with Baraka Vision. We love you guys, and don't forget, always be visionary!
Always be visionary!